Hi guys, in the previous videos we have seen what is SQS visibility timeout A to Z. So if you see the previous videos, you will know what is visibility timeout and you can answer any question on visibility timeout. So this video is just a summary of that visibility timeout. So we have created one SQS config demo, and we have created one SQS config demo DLQ, and we have created one lambda SQS config demo. So for demo purpose, we are running this lambda for 11 seconds. So we are just sleeping for 11 seconds. It means the lambda will get processed for 11 seconds, but we have kept visibility timeout as only 1 second. So this is wrong. So the main thing is the lambda processing should complete within the visibility timeout. We need to keep the timing like that. If we are expecting the lambda processing for 1 minute, then the visibility timeout should be greater than 1 minute. Otherwise, it will lead to a duplicate messages to the SQS. That we will see now. Purposefully, we have kept a wrong time, visibility timeout 1 seconds, but the lambda is processing 11 seconds. So this should not happen. So we have attached a DLQ for this. So first we'll remove the DLQ and check what happens. So we added a trigger here. So SQS trigger. So as soon as we push a message to SQS, it will come to this lambda. And we will check the logs here. So we will send a message to test. So this is the message we are going to send. We are sending only once. But let's see how many times the message will be received. So let's search with that message. So if you see, the message is received so many times. So now the message receiving is stopped. So we have sent only once, but the lambda received these many times the same message. If you check the message ID of the each event, it is same. And why the flow of these messages stopped here? So we have kept our lambda processing is 11 seconds. So after 11 seconds, one of the receiver, so 11 times it received. So first time when it received, that would have completed the processing, and our lambda, we know it will delete automatically from the SQS once the lambda process completes. So after 11 seconds, the message got deleted. The message got deleted from the SQS, and 1 second, it is keep on receiving messages. One 139. So 138.40, and the last one is 139.48. So it is not. Guys, we are wondering why there are so many messages. So we are expecting only around 14 or 15 messages to receive, but we are receiving an infinite number of messages. So our explanation is somewhere wrong and our understanding is wrong. If you see, if you expand an event, it will have approximate receive count is 6. And if you open any other message, so message ID is same and approximate receive count is 147. So the message won't be deleted automatically once the visibility timeout gets over. So till now we are thinking that the first consumer, even though it sleeps for 11 seconds, after 11 seconds it will automatically delete the message, but no, our explanation is wrong. So even the first time receive, the visibility timeout is 1 second, so it will immediately visibility timeout gets over. So once the visibility timeout gets over, and in that case lambda after completing processing, it won't delete automatically. If we want to delete, we need to write manual code to delete the message. That time it will work, and it will receive only less messages till that 11 seconds. Because we are not deleting the message manually, lambda won't delete that message automatically once the visibility timeout crosses. That's why we are seeing a lot of messages. So while I am making the previous videos, I saw only the around 14 messages, even though I refreshed so many times. So that must be some logs issue. So that's why that time we are thinking the first message will get deleted automatically. So first time I was just going through the video which I made. So in that we have sent one message. Let's real queue retry count. It is coming on. Yes. Now let's. So we have already. So take the time so that we will get many messages till it deletes typing or so to 1 second. So in the previous video, I showed by sending a message reduced timeout to 1 second, and that time we have seen only 14 or 15 times. So as per our expectation, we need to receive this message around 10, 11 or 12 times. See, and after this we won't get any messages because the first message, the processing lambda. Here if you see how many ever times I refreshed, it is showing only these messages, and we thought it got deleted automatically by the first consumer, but that is wrong. If you just see this time 00 40 45, let's search the same message again now in the logs, because that time it didn't show every message. So this is reduced timeout to 1 second. So now if I search, see, and now I could see all the logs, how many other times the message got. So due to some logs issue, I guess that time it showed only till 0040 55. If we check now 0040 55, and there is immediately 50. So here immediately there is 55, 56, 57, 58. So every second a new message is getting received, and that message is gone infinitely. It never deleted. So I have observed this very late, and to stop this there is only one way. We need to go to the queue, and we just need to purge the messages. So we will see one message in the flight mode, and we just need to purge the message in order to stop this loop. Otherwise this will be keep on going, and it will lead to our AWS cost. So if you just see this count, it is 392. So this message got received 392 times, and if you just scroll down it will be keep on coming, because this message got received so many times. This I didn't notice this message and issue. we were thinking that it got deleted because when we are doing this demo it showed only the sum logs. So if you just expand, this is 1000, so it went to some thousands. So this is very dangerous if you configure a visibility timeout wrongly. So this will go to infinite loop. So the conclusion is, once the visibility time crosses, lambda won't delete that message automatically from the queue. It will remain till it get success. Any consumer gets success without crossing the visibility timeout. And one more way to reduce is to have a DL queue and control it. So now we have seen many messages, and if you want to control the messages, so even though visibility timeout is wrong, it should retry only certain number of times. So for that case we need to enable this, and we just set, okay, I want only 5 times. Now if we send, it will only 5 times. It will send, it won't cause that loop problem. So let's refresh. So now if you see, only 5 times is there because we have configured, okay, even though it is a mistake, whatever mistake, retry only 5 times. The message ID is also same. So after 5 times, what it happens to the message? No one deletes from the message, it just goes to the DL queue. So it went to DL queue. If there is no DL queue, it will keep on coming to the same queue. It will keep on going to the lambda, again coming to the queue, again going to the lambda. So to control that, we have a DL queue and keep retry count, and it safely comes to the DL queue and sits. So sorry for the wrong explanation in the previous videos. So this is the correct explanation, and keep the correct visibility timeouts to save our AWS cost and unvisible looping. So this was very difficult to identify that lambda is internally keep on looping itself. So I hope you understood and follow my videos for more updates and more understandings very easily. Thank you for watching.